Okay, so the question here is how much greater is 7/8 than 3/4? Um, the key thing to remember here is that whenever you're working with fractions, you've got to make sure that the denominator is the same. So 7/8 and 3/4 have different denominators. 4 is a factor of 8, so I'm going to change my quarters into eighths, and that'll help us a bit. Okay, so 3/4 equals how many eighths? Well, you know our little rule. You do the same to the bottom as you do to the top. Now, what we've done to the bottom is we've multiplied by 2. So I'm also going to multiply the top by 2, which gives me 6/8. So now the question really says how much greater is 7/8 than 6/8, which is a lot easier. And 7/8 take away 6/8 equals 1/8. So the key thing to remember here is that you must make sure the denominators are the same before you try to do the sum. Okay, hope that helped.